Welcome to class 7 subject mathematics chapter decimals, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. Today we will learn some thing about decimals, how you will add, how do you subtract, what are the types of decimal, how do you multiply, how do you divide, how do you convert decimal into fraction. Those all the thing we'll discuss in this chapter. So first we will see what is decimal. So the numbers express the number expressed in decimal form. Expressed in decimal form is called decimals. Example. What is the example of it? Suppose 6.8, 1.23, these all are the example. And now decimal places. What is decimal places? So we have to draw the place value chart, and suppose this one is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and here decimal point is there, and here this one will be tenth. Tenth is written T 10, suppose it is tenth. Then we have to write hundredth, that means 1 by 100. Then 1 by 1000, thousandth, 1 by 10,000th. So this way the number will be, suppose one number I have written here 2351.1798. So how do you write this one? First decimal point you write, then you place the value in the place value chart. This is the decimal place value chart. So 1532, and here it is 1798. So this number we can expand also. So 2 into 1000, we already know the value of this place is 1000. 1000 place value is 100, plus 3 into 100, plus 5 into 10, plus 1, then plus 1 by 10, 7 by 100. So when it is in 10th place any number, so that will be 1 by 10. If it is in 100th place, so it will be 7 by 100. And if it is in 1000th place, so this will be 9 by 1000 and 8 by 10,000. So this way we can write all the numbers in decimal place value chart. So now we will see types of decimal. Types of decimals. So what are the types of decimals are there? So first is like decimal. Like decimal. So that means if it is 7.23 and 7.56, so these are like decimals. That means it has same number of digit after the decimal point, or we can say decimal having same number of decimal places. Decimals having same number of decimal places. Now like decimals example we have done. Unlike decimal, 7.23, 7.578. So these two are the example of unlike decimal. So that means decimals having different number of decimals, different number of decimal places. Here we have two decimal places, here we have three decimal places. So this is called unlike decimals. And next we will see one important result: how do you convert like decimal to unlike decimal to like decimal. Suppose we have 7.25, 7.861. These are two like decimals, unlike decimals. These are unlike decimals. So now therefore like decimal will be what? Like decimals are 7.250 and 7.861. So the bigger decimal place number we have to check first, and how many digits are there after the decimal point, that digit we have to count. And another number which do not have that number of digit, we will place 0 after the day, after the number, and we will make it equal decimal places. So it is called the conversion of like decimal to unlike decimal, unlike decimal to like decimal. Now comparison, or comparing of two decimal numbers: 7.5123, 7.5124, 7.5.123, 132. So these type of numbers, if it is there, we have to check the whole number. So we know that any decimal number is divided in two parts: whole number part and decimal part. So we have to check first whole number part. If any number has whole number part is bigger, that number will be the bigger. Here 75 is bigger than 7.5123 and the another number also. So first is, suppose we have 5.74, 6.03, 0.8, and now we have to compare which one is greater. So first we have to make like decimals. So convert into like decimals in step 1. Then compare whole numbers. Whole numbers. Then compare the next decimal place number. So in this number 5.74, 6.03 is bigger, because 6 whole number is bigger than 5. So that's why this is bigger. Again 0.8 is smaller than this 5.74 and 0.3. So if you arrange it ascending or descending order, arranging numbers in ascending or descending order. So suppose the number is 5.74, 6.03, 0.8, 0.658 and 7.2. First, so we have to do the like decimal. Make it like decimal 740, because the highest digits are 3 after the decimal point, so we have to make all 3 digit after the decimal point. 0.800, 0.658 and 7.200. Now check all number and see that which whole part is bigger. So 7.200 is bigger than 6.030, and this one is bigger than 5.740. Then we here both the number have 0, but the next digit is 8, which is bigger than 6, so we have to write 0.800, then we have to write 0.658. So this is the descending order, and the another way we will write it in ascending order. So students, so this much we know. Now we will see convert of decimal into a decimal into a fraction. So this way, if you removing point, so that number of 0 will come after 1. If we have 2 to 5 this number, so first we will remove, write this one, we will remove point, decimal point, and for removing decimal point we will write 1, and for 3 digit after the decimal point we will put 3 zeros. So now we will cancelling 5 to the 10, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 9 the 25, 45, 5 4 the 20. So the answer will be 9 by 40. This is the fraction form. Now we will see converting a fraction into a decimal. So how this will be done? So first, suppose one number is given, that is 27 by 4, and we have to convert it into decimal number. So what we will do, we will divide 27 by 4. So 4 6 are 24, 3 remain. Now take point, 4 7 are 28, then 2 0, 4 5 are 20. If remainder becomes 0, so this will be 27. Therefore 27 by 4 equal to 6.75, which is the required answer here. So I hope student you understood how to convert. You will try yourself the exercises, and later we will know about the addition, subtraction, and more about the decimal numbers, multiplication, division, all the things we will learn. Thank you. Have a nice day.